Hi everyone. This is the third video in the series of 1200 plus idioms and phrases. Beat your heart with crazy music of English with us. Subscribe and press the bell icon for instant update of our video. Our first phrase of this part is all Greek. It means totally strange subjects, etc. हिंदी में अर्थ है विषयादि से अनभिज्ञ. In sentences it's used as computer programming is all Greek for me. Next phrase is AllOne. AllOne means to make no difference to someone, one way or another. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है कोई अंतर नहीं. In sentences it's used as it is all one for him whether you trust him or not. Next phrase is alter ego. Alterego is used for a very close friend or constant companion. हिंदी में जिगरी दोस्त. In sentences it's used as Jack was the alter ego of Rose in the Titanic. Next phrase is an eye to the main chance. The term often refers to someone who is ambitious without consideration of others. हिंदी में मौके की ताक में रहना. In sentences it's used as you just have an eye to the main chance. You don't care if I succeed or fail. Next phrase is apple of discord. Apple of discord is used to imply the foundation, root, or core of a quarrel or a small issue that could lead to a bigger argument. हिंदी में झगड़े की वजह. In sentences, the ancestral property became an apple of discord among the three brothers. Next phrase is apple of one's eye. The apple of one's eye describes a thing or person which someone loves above all others. हिंदी में आंख का तारा. In sentences it's used as his new baby girl was the apple of his eye. Next phrase is apple pie order. It is used for something which is arranged neatly or perfectly. हिंदी में सुव्यवस्थित. In sentences it's used as everything in the cupboard was arranged in apple pie order. Next phrase is argoside. It is used for someone who is carefully observant or attentive. हिंदी में सतर्क. In sentences it's used as Mohit was argoside to the quake. Next phrase is armchair critic. It means as someone who criticizes other people but who does not have any proper experience of the activity the other people are doing. हिंदी में जो हकीकत में परे चीजों का सिर्फ सैद्धांतिक आलोचना करता. In sentences it's used as he is such an armchair critic He has no experience in the subject, but he is ready to give plenty of advice. Next phrase is armed to the teeth. Someone who is armed to the teeth is armed with a lot of weapons or with very effective weapons. हिंदी में हथियारों से लैस. In sentences it's used as he was armed to the teeth for the war. Next phrase is around the clock. All day and all night. हिंदी में पूरे समय. In sentences it's used as Mohit worked for his channel around the clock. Next phrase is arrow in the quiver. An arrow in the quiver is a strategy or option that could be used to achieve your objective. हिंदी में तरकश में तीर होना, लक्ष्य के अनुकूल योजना. In sentences it's used as being the head of the school. His threat of removing the teacher always acts as an arrow in the quiver in boosting their performance. Next phrase is as duck takes to water. Meaning very naturally, without effort. हिंदी में आसान कार्य. In sentences it's used as he started skating and learned quickly, like a duck takes to water. Next phrase is as good as one's word. Meaning doing what one has undertaken or promised to do. हिंदी में वादे का पक्का. In sentences it's used as Ram was as good as one's word. Last idioms of this video. As good luck would have it. It used to say that something happened because of good or bad luck. हिंदी में सौभाग्यवश. In sentences it's used as our car broke down on the road, but as luck would have it, there was a garage nearby. Today we have learned and discussed 15 idioms and phrases. Beat your heart with the crazy music of English with us. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos.